And what's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel. We back with another banger, man. So, guys, it is 5:26 a.m. in the morning, man. It is June 26th on a Thursday. So, I took a trade last night in Asian session. I was only looking for a 1-to-1. That trade played out pretty well, man. It was coming out of a wedge / flat, going to the upside, caught me a good little 1-to-1, man. We end up winning that trade in our 50K Apex funded account. I'm currently in another trade on gold in my 25K Take Profit Trader Pro funded account, man. I'm getting ready to show you these trades, man. All right, guys, so as you guys know, man, the market on micro gold, man, on a 1 hour time frame, that's what I'm basing it off of. Ever since about the 12th or 13th of June, we just been ranging in this area. Notice that this blue line, gold, decided to come all the way down to this major white trend line that I have drawn out. And it also touched this liquid zone down here, and I noticed that it's going back up, possibly going back to the top of this wedge or this flag that I got drawn out. So I think this thing is probably going to push up. So I got in, man. I'm in for buys. That's all I'm looking for. I'm not looking for any sales right now. So let's go to the lower time frame on the 5-minute. As you guys can see, we are in a current trade over there. We are, you know what I'm saying, doing pretty good so far. But let's go to last night's trade. This trade was soon as market opened last night, about 5 o'clock last night. I took this trade about 5:15, 5:30. It was simply coming out of a wedge. The market over here it hit that liquid zone, and we just been bouncing up. We just keep breaking structure. We just keep breaking structure going to the upside. So that means that we're in a buy market currently on micro gold. So just a simple little wedge / flag. So I caught the bounce on the bottom of that wedge, and then just went up for a quick 1-to-1, man. That's all she wrote, man. That trade played out pretty good. I was aiming for, I took 3 micros on this trade. That's $180, but I was aiming for 200. So it ended up playing out right. And if we go to the account, guys, the account summary, we made $205.98 last night, man. Decent trade, man. So all I was looking for was a quick 1-to-1, man. Pretty good. And now guys, we have the account back to where the highest this account ever been. This account, the max it's ever been was $51,511.54. That's the highest it ever been. So we are back at that point, man. It's got to be up from here. If we go over here, we are doing good, man. But I'm gonna leave that like that, and I'm gonna show you the trade that I took over here. So guys, this is a supply and demand trade, man. Solely supply and demand. We go to the 15-minute time frame. All right, so this is what I was looking at, guys. We can officially move this. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. All right, we got rid of that. So you guys seen that trade already. So this is the supply and demand trade on my 25K Take Profit Trader Pro funded account. So that is a clear supply and demand setup right there. What I mean by that is, guys, we broke this week, broke that structure. This week broke that previous structure. This week broke that structure. This week broke that structure. So we just keep breaking structure to the upside, man. So this gives me indication that the market still wants to continue up, possibly going to grab gaps over to the left hand side. So I'm just trying to get in where I fit in, man. On the 1 hour time frame, it looks good too. It looks good on both the 1 hour and the 15-minute time frame. I don't know about the 5-minute. Let's check the 5-minute. 5-minute. Yep, 5-minute look good too, y'all. Look, no more gaps down here. Look, that's perfect. So the 1 hour, the 15, and the 5-minute is lining up for supply and demand. Right where I have those white lines at. And look what the market is doing. The market is respecting both these white lines. perfect supply and demand setup, man. I'm just gonna ride this trade out, man. We also have news that is let me do this right quick. We also have news at 8:30 this morning. I don't know if that's 7:30 my time or exactly 8:30 my time, but Take Profit Trader will allow me to trade through this news. I can't trade through CPI. I can't trade through non-profit payroll and something else, but they will allow me to trade through this. So we're good on that, man. We're just gonna keep going and see what happens, guys, man. That's what I got going on, guys, man. We're just gonna see if this trade play out. I'm risking $180 on this trade, man. We'll see if this joker play out. I really would like it to, man, to push this thing over. We're risking $180, and my take profit hopefully will get me to $360 today on this account, man. Just to show you guys, that's where we're currently at. We're currently up $33 in profit. We were up like almost $86. That's the max we were up. But we're just gonna wait to see what this thing gonna do, man. We got one trade done last night. Come on, Take Profit Trader Pro. Look, come on, Gold. Make this trade work on this account. All right, y'all, 719, man. And that trade didn't play out like I wanted to. As you guys can see, yeah, stopped us out. So what I did was draw this line because I thought it would respect this, but it didn't. So I took about 2 more trades in between here, trying to catch a bounce, and I didn't like what I saw, so I got out. So we end up losing $205.50. I risked $180 on that first trade. Took 2 more trying to catch that bounce, and I didn't like what I saw, so I got out. But I'm seeing another setup on a micro NASDAQ on the 5-minute time frame. I'm seeing a supply and demand. We keep breaking structure. We keep breaking highs, man. So I'm gonna keep riding this wave. NASDAQ is at all-time highs. That's what I'm looking for. Supply and demand. I'll let y'all know. Update. It is 10:54 a.m. Man, y'all, this account, this Take Profit Trader Pro 25K account is officially called Lazarus. Look at this. I went crazy. The account is officially called Lazarus on NASDAQ, man. So that setup that I showed you guys, I don't even know where it's at. That setup that I just showed you guys was on the 5-minute time frame. So what ended up happening was it didn't hit that area that I wanted to. The market just shot straight down, man. Look at all these trades, man. So I was looking for the market, I think, to come in there. I don't even know. I don't even know, man. I have no clue. So only thing I can go off of is these white lines I got drawn out. So I didn't get in that trade that I just showed you guys. But there were other demand spots that got respected, but it didn't go my way. So this is what I did, guys. These lines over here are demand zones on the 5-minute and the 15-minute. So that first trade I saw, it didn't play out like I wanted to. So I took another, I can't even tell you, man. So the only thing I know is these zones were respected, but they all went against me on the way down. So that trade that I took earlier was $205 loss. So y'all check this out. I just kept taking trades because I was looking for a bounce. I went from negative $205 all the way to a negative $1,000. I said, dang, bro. And guess what, y'all? I only had $50 in trailing drawdown. $50, y'all. I said, this account is dead. It's like I was just trying to catch them bounces, man. After I lost the first 2, I went DJing. I said, man, I'm trying to push this account over. It seemed like I cannot get this account over the hump, man. This account just won't work for me, man. I got my Apex account back up to the original high that I had before, but I cannot push this 25K Take Profit Trader Pro funded account over. Today's the day. I want to push it over. And man, I just lost. I lost again. I lost. And I don't know whether that's 4 or 5, but I end up losing all the way to a negative $1,000, y'all. I had $50 in drawdown, man. I said the account is gone. Wrap it up. So I took a trade starting all the way down here. I took a trade on this one. I started piecing it away, man. I started piecing it away by $200, $150 there, $200, and I just kept racking it back up, man. I said, man, I got $50 in drawdown. It's over. I shot straight out the gate and took a $200 trade right here, guys. This was a 15-minute demand zone. I said, this is it. If I don't get this, it's done. Man, talk about catching the trade at a perfect time, y'all. $50 in drawdown, y'all. Do you hear me? $50. So I took a trade right here, $200. Boom, hit it. I just kept catching it up. I was only looking for buys. For some odd reason, man, right after that news came, it just tanked. And I'm expecting it to bounce off somewhere. And that news just kept making it tank. I said, this is it right here, man. If I don't get this, it's done. I didn't know how far it was going to come down. This was the end of it coming down right here on this 15-minute demand zone. I just started piecing it away, guys. I don't even know how many trades I took, man. I took a lot, man. But I ended up bringing the account after being negative $1,000. I had $50 in drawdown until the account was blown. Y'all tell me why I pieced this joker apart. I just kept taking bounces all the way back up until the all-time high. I just kept piecing it apart. $200 here, $150 here, $200 there, $100 there, $200 there. I just kept piecing it all away until I got all the way back even, y'all. I'm only down negative $15.50 after being $1,000 down and $50 in intraday trailing drawdown, y'all. The account was gone. Talk about this account being Lazarus. This is officially called Lazarus. That's crazy, man. Wow. I was trying to push the account over today, man, and then ended up almost blowing the account with $50 in drawdown, man. Brought the account all the way back up, pretty much at break even. What a show this was. Boy, you are tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel where the craziest things happen today. Boy, on a regular. We made profit in Apex. We break even at Take Profit Trader Pro funded account, man. Both of them are funded. But man, that account was gone. That account was done for. And I just started scalping it back, man, and ended up bringing it back to break even. Man, I'm done for today. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey the Phone Trader. Corey the DGen Trader. Corey the Unthinkable. The Lazarus account. Boy, make sure you tuning in, man. Make sure you tune in to every video I got coming out, boy. Because, man, the craziest thing happened today. Make sure you tune in, man. Man, that's going to do it for me, y'all, man. Crazy trading day, bro. $1,000. $50 in intraday trailing drawdown. And brought the account all the way back to break even. I ain't got nothing else to say after that. Man, I might just take off tomorrow. We'll see. I'm a trader. I don't know how to stop trading. I see a setup, I'm going to take it. Peace, blessings, love y'all. Until next time, man. And you know the motto after every video. In 3, 2, 1, man. I holla. Peace out. Man, crazy day, y'all. I'm out of here. I'm hungry.